Okay, I'm gonna go through how to wipe a drive to ensure nobody get access to any just loose laying drives around the office. So first thing, obviously we plug in our drive via a extended cable or adapter or something. So if our drive is plugged in, it should display here. Okay. So as we can see, um, this is our C drive. This is a backup drive we have. Let's open this. So this is my C drive. This is a backup drive of mine. This is our system reserve. Don't mind that. Here's the local disk, so it's already picking it up. Sometimes it won't pick it up. Then all you have to do is change the drive lead toolpath to ensure you can see it. Okay, so once we're here, so I'm using just disk management, but you can use something like Minitool as well. Also works quite well. So first things first, we're going to start format. Just for a quick format, that's fine. I usually like to format first before deleting the volume. Okay, then once that is done, I'd usually say delete volume. Yes. Same with this one, delete volume. Yes. Okay, then just make sure what size drive it is. It's a, let's see here. It's a 320 gig drive, so it's obviously done. With Minitool, it's also about the same procedure. And then we can say new sample volume, just next, next. We'll give it any letter we want. We'll just leave it on E. Okay, next. Here you can, format or not format it. We're going to format everything. New volume. Yeah, we don't have to give it a name. We're just going to store this drive. So next, finish. And it should be done. And we can also see here, it is all done. So this is just how to do a quick format. Obviously doing something more advanced will require us to write to the disks just a bunch of zeros or ones. Yeah, if you want to make sure that all the data is deleted properly. Okay.